Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Naman tayo, check lang natin yung display natin today. This is a fresh local made by Saudi. Yan, mga fresh din. Display natin. Yan. Plus, naman yung leg, lamb leg and then lamb shoulder. Yung mga lamb natin, panila, fresh Saudi. This one is chill lang. Next guys, check natin. Display natin tapos. Yan, stroganoff cut. Yan, sticks, mini sticks. Chuck stick and chuck shoulder. Yan guys, mga fresh yan guys. Ito naman yung mga marinated natin, beef burgers, patties, yan, beef burger patties, yan. Yung mga fresh beef kebab natin dyan guys, ito, beef, yan, small, mga burger, yung chicken shawarma natin guys, mga marinated natin yan guys. Yan yung mga paninda natin, chicken barbecue, above yung natin guys, breaded chicken, yan, breaded chicken, barbecue chicken marinated, yan, breast, barbecue breast, yan, mga drumstick natin, barbecue, yan, half chicken barbecue, leg, yan, breast wings, mga paninda natin yan guys, fresh yan. Lang tayo dito guys, natin